I tend to view clinical ethics as a new specialty, a different specialty. So when we do interdisciplinary rounds in the ICU, we have providers, we have physicians, we have nurses, we have NPs, we have social workers, chaplains, respiratory therapists. We have all these members of the team. Ethics is there as well. So it's just as important as all the other ones, but it's also unique to itself and works really well in the team. We are not decision makers. We are not authorities. We are not the ones that come in and say, this is what it needs to be. We are members of the team that bring a different skill set and a different perspective that can hopefully clarify understanding, create goals of care understanding, and really support people in the work of the team that is moving forward.